How to add moving texts to your video. Hello everyone, today is yet another interesting and exciting day here at Realms of Glory Fusion. Let's go straight into our video. So we come here to the video icon. As you see, add video. Let me just select any video from here. Let's double click that. Click OK. As you see, my video comes into VSDC Video Editor. So now I'm going to be adding moving texts to this video. I come here to my text tool, then add a text. This object position setting comes up. You just click OK. As you see now, the plus sign comes up. So I put it outside the video since I want the text to move across the video. So I put it outside the video. Then there I click. Then there I can add my text. As you see, my text is created. Let me just increase its font size, probably to 96. Now I'm going to be adding my movement to this text. And this is the movement icon I'm going to be using. As you see, it's not highlighted. You want this movement icon to be highlighted. So you click on your text and you see it's not yet highlighted. You come here. After scene, you see your text 1. My text is called text 1. So you click on it here and my movement icon is highlighted now. So I can click on it. Object position settings comes up again. You just click OK. And now it gives me my option of moving the text. So I just come here to this small box, then click and hold and drag it across the video. As you see there, then here, after this, I come to the properties window. I drop down to point settings. As you see at the path, start point is at no, so I change it to yes. So that gives my text movement. So if I give it a play, you see my text is already moving across the whole video, but it is too slow. So you can also increase its speed at which it moves across the video. So you just come right here and you click where it ends. That box shows up. Then you come back to your properties window. You drop down to object creation time. As you see, a time frame is at 386. You can reduce this to probably 15. So you just click aside. Let me just take it to the beginning of the text. So if I play my text, as you see, it moves across the video very fast. You can also adjust this, probably from 15. Let me put it at 60. So if I take it back to the start of the text and give it a play, see it moves at quite a good speed across the video. You can make your texts move in any direction you wish. Let me just add another text and show you that. So I come here to my text. Okay. Add text. So I click on my text and come here to text 3 as you see it. Then I come to my movement icon and I click OK. I just hold, then drag it. Can make the text move diagonal. So I come here to and change this to yes, and probably change my time frame also to like 50. If I give it a play, see my text moves across in a diagonal format. I can also make it come from bottom to up. So I come and add another text. Okay. Text. See, it's quite covered. Just drag this and it shows your text. So I come here and select my text, come here to text 4, my movement icon is highlighted, click that, OK, then hold and drag it up, change the path, start point to yes, then change the time frame to probably 40. So if I give this text a play, so it comes across the screen. You can also create texts that move along the bottom, for example like headlines. So you come here, create your text. Let me just write something a little bit long. How to add text to your video. Like you see this. Let me reduce the font size a little, probably to 72. Then I hold and drag it outside the video, probably to there. So now what I want to do is to select the text and go to my movement icon and click OK. Then I hold this small box, move it across. Like you see this rectangular object that is formed, that's your text. So you ensure you take it outside the video, probably to around there, and go to the path start point and change it to yes. Maybe the time frame, I also change the time frame to something like 90. And I can also make some few edits on my text. So I go back to scene, and the brush color, let me just turn it to black or probably red. So now when I give the video play, you can see it moving across my video. So let me just show it to you from here, export project. So if I give it a play from here, you see my text that I've just formulated in this video moving across. All those I've been working with them. Then this is the final one. If you're getting any value out of this video, just click the like button and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.